To effectively manage your cryptocurrency assets, it is crucial to have a clear and comprehensive overview of your Debank portfolio. This guide will walk you through the best practices for achieving this. First, ensure you have a Debank account and have connected all your wallets and exchanges to it. This will give you a unified view of your entire cryptocurrency portfolio, allowing you to track your assets, liabilities, and overall financial health. Next, familiarize yourself with the Debank dashboard, which provides a snapshot of your portfolio, including the total value of your assets, your net worth, and a breakdown of your holdings by asset class. This information is essential for making informed investment decisions. One of the key features of Debank is its ability to track your portfolio's performance over time. Use this feature to monitor your portfolio's growth, identify trends, and make adjustments as needed. You can also use this feature to compare your portfolio's performance to that of the broader market. Another important aspect of managing your Debank portfolio is risk management. Debank provides a risk assessment tool that helps you identify potential risks in your portfolio, such as overexposure to a particular asset or market volatility. Use this tool to diversify your portfolio and minimize your risk. In addition to tracking your portfolio's performance and managing risk, Debank also provides tools for tracking your income and expenses. Use these tools to monitor your cryptocurrency income, such as staking rewards or interest payments, and to track your expenses, such as transaction fees or taxes. To get the most out of your Debank portfolio, it is essential to regularly review and update your portfolio. This includes rebalancing your portfolio to ensure it remains aligned with your investment goals and risk tolerance, as well as updating your wallet and exchange connections to ensure that your portfolio remains accurate and up to date. By following these best practices, you can use Debank to gain a deeper understanding of your cryptocurrency portfolio and make more informed investment decisions. Remember to always prioritize risk management, diversification, and regular portfolio reviews to ensure the long-term health and growth of your portfolio.